To update your chat editor, simply double-click the icon on your desktop. Choose a NovaChat or Chat Fusion configuration and click on OK.
Welcome to Chat Editor.
Click on Help. Check online for new version. It should say there's a new version available to download. Would you like to download now? Click on Yes. You may want to pause your video until the download has completed. Once it has finished downloading, it will ask you if you would like to install it. Go ahead and click on Yes. Select your installation language. I'm going to choose English and click OK. Click on Next. Accept the license agreement and click Next. Click Install. Again, you may want to pause your video until installation is complete. Click on Finish when it's done installing. Double-click on your chat editor. Choose a NovaChat or Chat Fusion configuration.
Welcome to Chat Editor.
And then we can go up to Help and About to make sure that your update worked.